Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn multi-digit addition and subtraction together, step by step. When you add or subtract big numbers, line up the place values. Ones go under ones, tens go under tens, and hundreds under hundreds. The blocks show that you must compare the same size pieces together. In adding, if a column makes 10 or more, you regroup. 7 plus 5 is 12. Write the 2 and carry the 1 to the next column, because 10 ones make 110. Carrying keeps every digit in its place. In subtracting, if the top digit is too small, you borrow. Take 110 from the next column and trade it for 10 ones. Now you have enough to subtract. 110 always becomes 10 ones. Let's add 47 plus 38. Start with the ones. 7 plus 8 is 15. Write the 5 and carry the 1. Now the tens. 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. So the answer is 85. So here is the whole idea. Always line up the place values first. When a column overflows past 10, carry to the next place. When you do not have enough to subtract, borrow 10 from next door. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.